Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications on PayPal mobile application. You can turn off or customize email notification from PayPal. First of all, open the PayPal application and log into your account. And once you're inside the home page of PayPal, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Within the profile menu, click on Marketing Preferences. Inside Marketing Preferences, you will be able to see the notifications category you will be receiving. Toggle off the boxes for the type of emails you no longer want to receive. For example, if you don't want to receive news emails, you can toggle off the button right under News. Toggle off any other emails you don't want to receive. You can also go ahead and click on Unsubscribe from all if you don't want to receive any kind of email whatsoever. And you will then be able to save the change. Now you will no longer be receiving email notifications on PayPal. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.